Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this little illustration, we want to show you a simple strategy for day trading. And the main thing you want to do is just to determine which way the trend is going. And we're using a 30-minute to find that trend. And then go to a 5-minute time frame and time your entries. Now, many times people use too much information. You see here we have some candlesticks, and we have an indicator that will tell us which way the direction of the trend is. And I'm going to show you an example of what we see many people use to try and day trade with and or long-term trade with. So you can see here that there are too many indicators, too much information. And we actually see charts of people trying to trade with this type of information. They are on information overload, and by the time they make a decision, the trade has already passed. So now let's go back and see what the simple day trading method would be so you don't have to analyze so much information. So right here, this first line we have marked, that's when the trend starts. When the indicator goes below the zero line, it's a sell trade. When it goes above the indicator, it's a buy trade. And if it looks like there's not many trades here, when you go to the smaller time frames, if there are no trades, it will filter them out. The second vertical line represents the time of the day that I would actually start trading. This is 12 GMT, or the opening of the US session. Now we're going to go to the 5-minute indicator and use entry indicators. That's all we need to do on this one, is just find what the direction of the trend is. So now, as though we're looking at a 5-minute chart, and as what we're looking at is a momentum indicator, and we know that we're only trading in these short positions because the trend was down starting right over here. This is where we came in. So now we're starting to look for anything that's a down signal. How do we know when a good time is to enter? Well, we use the normal alerts, and we've attached them here now. You can see the red arrows and the blue arrows, but we know we're only looking for red arrows or the down signals. If you see some of the blue arrows and you're looking for a downtrend, don't worry about that. They're mathematically calculated, and for just a short period of time there was a signal going up, but you look at the larger time frame to time the direction of the trend. The first signal comes right here, that normal alert. And the strategy is, when you get a normal alert on a sell trade, you take the trade. And when it comes down, and this is the momentum indicator changes colors, that's when you would exit the trade. So this one was around 20 pips for this particular trade. Then you're out of the market, and another indicator comes up, and you wait until you see the momentum change, and that one is about 50 pip move right there. So you can see you haven't really had to work very hard. You're just waiting for the signals to give you information. Now, not every indicator is going to give you a lot of pips based on that particular strategy. Right here, you may have gotten in. By the time it changed colors, you probably lost 4 or 5 pips on that one. I say you lost 5 pips on that one. Another one comes up, you take the same strategy, and you lost 5 pips on that one as well. You just keep on trading. You know you're going to lose. Don't worry about it. You've lost 10 pips, but you've made 70 pips prior to this. So we have another signal coming down, and you made another 20 pips on that one, and another one over here, you made about another 20 pips. So that's how you can day trade in the direction of the trend on only a 30-minute chart. But first of all, you find the trend, and then use signals to get in and signals to get out, and that's as difficult as it has to be. To get these indicators, go to Forex Strategy Secrets and sign up for Jumpstart. That will you'll be able to get the trend indicator that we used. Then if you want to see how our whole system works, join us in our trading room and or sign up for Launchpad or Nth Degree. And then you can take advantage of the strategies and techniques we use to make money in the currency market, many pips per week. Hope this will help to you in learning a little simple day trading strategy. Talk to you later. Goodbye.